Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be installing this new beginner friendly Go Glueless wig that comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The lace has already been cut. The wig is on a Swiss lace. The wig has a dome cap structure that comes with an adjustable strap that also ensures that the wig is secured without using any type of spray or gel. This wig does not come with any combs, so using this headband or this strap will definitely come in handy. And most importantly, it's convenient and you don't need any skills to install this wig. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on using the adjustable band. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the hair out of the, unravel the lace because it was stuck underneath the hair or whatever. So this is what it's giving like, y'all. This ain't even been like installed with glue, spray, no nothing. This lace literally melts into my skin without doing anything. When they said this is a put on and go wig, for sure it is. Now, my only issue with these dome caps sometimes is it's a little too big in the back and there's no way to make it smaller or tighter unless you sew it down, and that defeats the purpose of the wig being convenient. So just keep that in mind. Now, let's go ahead and move on to this hairline, the most exciting part, which is also known as the most difficult part sometimes, just depending on who you ask. So, the hairline has been pre plucked, the lace or the knots on this wig has been bleached, and again, this is on a Swiss lace. And y'all, just look at how it melts into the skin. Now, you definitely can go back in on the hairline of this wig and pluck it to your liking, but I'm not doing that. They said this is a put on and go wig, so baby, that's what I'm about to test out and see because I ain't got time for all the other extra stuff. So as y'all can see, the parting space on the wig is pretty good as well, which I was really surprised about it being a 4x6, but anything with 6 inches of lace is going to have like a really good install. That's like the parting space on the wig. So I am going to be doing a curved side part with this look. I did try something new on this look. I'm trying to achieve like the whole side part with the baby hairs or whatever. I'm gonna get it. I just need to keep practicing. But one of the things that I have paid attention to with these installs is it's super important to get the wig as flat as possible. Like, look at that hairline, y'all. That shit look like it is literally coming out of my fucking head. Look at that. I ain't used no spray, no nothing. But I am going to use spray. But just imagine how this is going to look once I put spray or if I was to use glue on this wig.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I learned. Lily, oh.
All right, so for this look and the baby hairs, I'm just going to do that one little swoop. And I did get it to look better than what it would normally look like in the past. So you can definitely tell, or I can tell, that practice is starting to reveal itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair because with this look, I did want to go for a straight side part look.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord.
All right, so the look is starting to come together, but there's a little small things that I need to do to this wig to make it look just a little bit better, such as clipping or cutting the ends to get a more clean cut off look. I just think this makes wigs look so much better when your ends are cut to a even look. And then I'm going to go back in with my flat iron, of course, and just give a little bit more heat to the sections of my hair.
God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it.
Okay, and so now that the wig is pretty much bone straight, it is flat, it is blended, baby, into my skin, and it is eaten. I'm going to finish this look up with adding some concealer to the part. This is a step I feel like nobody should skip because it just makes your part pop a little bit more on your wig, and it just confirms that it is growing out of your scalp. Don't argue with me, okay? Let's not do it. You need to add concealer to your part. Not a lot, but you need it. Okay? So yeah, this is definitely like gonna be my go-to wig. I'm actually keeping this wig on for the rest of this week because it is just perfect and it was super quick and easy to install. So I'm gonna have some information in the description bar for you girls to check out, and y'all already know how I roll with the savings and the coupon codes because we all need to save some dollars out here without sacrificing our looks, okay? So make sure you check out BGMgirl Hair. This wig right here, 10 out of 10 across the board, period.